He's a huge bodied buck, similar to the size in Illinois I killed last October on opening week. Just super excited to be able to tag him. Put this little thing right here around his antlers. But man, just a stud.
Got one behind us, but not too far. Go ahead.
Let God revive your life through the outdoors, and remember, you too can make an impact right where you're at. Subscribe for more.